welcome back to my channel. It's Nettie. So today I finally decided to do a makeup tutorial. I know it's been a very long time, but it's okay. I'm gonna go to work later on, so I was like, okay, you know what, let me do a full-on glam. So that is what we did today. So if you would like to know how I created this lovely look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm starting off with my Shape and Tape concealer. I am gonna apply this all over my eyelids with a beauty blender. Then I'm going to go ahead and tape my eyes, and for this you can use any tape you'd like. And then I'm going to go in with the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to use this lovely bright, sort of like, I guess, burnt yellow. I know there's a specific name to it, but I can't think of it right now. And I'm just going to apply this lovely shade all over my eyelids with a blending brush and just blend it as much as I could. Then I went in with these two lovely shades here. One's like a bright red and the other one's like an orange. And I start like at the outer edge of my eye and then work my way inwards. And yeah, I just do that back and forth until I feel like it's blended. And then I'm going to go in with a much darker shade. And same thing, start at the edge of the eye and then work your way inwards. So for this color, I am using a more precise blending brush. So same thing, starting at the corner of my eye and then slowly dragging the color onto the inner corner of my eyes. Okay, so the Jaclyn Hill palette does not have a black, so I wanted to get that smoky look out there. So I grabbed the Naked Smoky and I grabbed the, I think it's called Black Market. It's the darkest one. I never use this palette, that's why it looks like that. But I'm grabbing like a flat brush and just creating like that eyeliner kind of look. As you can tell there, I'm just dragging it against the tape. And then slowly with the excess amount that I have on the brush, I'm just bringing it inwards. And here I just went back with the precise blending brush that I had before and now just blending it together. So now that we have done that, I went back with my lovely concealer. I absolutely love this concealer, the Tape and Shape, and this is in the color light medium. I'm thinking about purchasing a lighter one just when I do like cut creases like this. And yeah, for this one I'm just using like a flat brush. This brush is by Morphe. It's really old. It came out a long time ago, so still have it. It works amazing. I love it. There is a better brush that I like to use when I do this, but I couldn't find it, so I had to settle, you know. But it still does the job. And yeah, so I'm just going in and cutting my crease. I'm not going to do it all the way because I want to have that outer smoked out look. So now I'm just going to go ahead and blend the outer corner so we don't have those harsh concealer lines, and then just slowly dragging it onto my crease. And then I went ahead and grabbed Kitten Karma by Stila and just applied the glitter lightly. As you can tell, I'm mostly dragging the color, not the color, but the glitter onto my lids. I didn't want to have like an excess amount, so I applied a very like light amount, but still like dragged it enough where you can see it shine, and it looks so pretty. So then with my blending brush, I'm just gonna blend the outer edges of my eyes, and that pretty much does it for the eyeshadow. Then I'm going to go ahead and grab my Sephora liquid eyeliner and just do my eyeliner. And for this, you can pretty much just go with it because the tape is there to catch you if anything. However, I did notice when I removed the tape that one side was a little bit longer than the other. So I just went ahead and fixed it, and you'll be able to see that in a little bit. So here I am fixing the eyeliner that was slightly a little bit shorter than the other one. So yeah. Now I'm just going to go back with that yellow bright color that we did earlier and just apply it on the lower lash line and blend very well. Then I'm going to go ahead and grab this darker shade here and do the same thing and just repeat the process and be very precise because you don't want it to get messy, especially if your face is already all done up like mine is. So now I'm going to go ahead and grab my Jeffree Star highlighter. I love this stuff. It's amazing. And I'm just going to apply it onto the inner corner of my eye. And then I'm going to grab the Tarte eyeliner. And this stuff just kind of squeezes out. And I was trying to go for this like that wing inside the inner corner of your eye. It was not happening, guys. I dead ass suck at this, but I went with it. And then I went ahead and applied the same eyeliner on my waterline, and yeah, this dead ass tortured the shit out of my eye. I was like, holy fuck. The contacts were already torturing me, but this did it. With Black Market, once again, I'm going to go ahead and smoke out my lower lash line. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply my mascara. This is a Telescopic by L'Oreal, and I'm going to apply this on the top and lower lash line. Now I'm going to apply my lashes, and I'm using the Ardell 213, and I am using a Duo Glue Adhesive. Now I'm going to be using Morphe lip liner in the color Sweet Tea and just line my lips and fill them in a little. Now with the Huda Beauty liquid lipstick, I'm going to go ahead and apply this all over my lips, and this is in the color Crush. Okay guys, so we have reached the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, if you made it to the end. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, drop a comment down below if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.